Welcome to Copy and Task Notes information. I'm inside of a client file down in the Task Notes section. As you see, I have a task called Tax Planning Question. In this example, say I was working on a client's file in 2016, so I'm doing a 2015 return, and they tell me about something that they sold, some stock, AT&T stock. They did this in March. And at that time, they know the cost basis, and they want me to remind them just in case they don't get the proper documents when they come and file their taxes next year. So I leave this task open, but if I want to make sure it actually flows into next year's when they actually walk through the door, so I have a better chance of seeing it, I could come in here and select the edit pencil. In this example, say if I'm actually entering it, I wouldn't have to edit it. I'd be typing at the time. The far right over here, I have a copy column. I could say copy, and what that will do is when I add a new year, so when that client comes back in and checks themselves in or you check them in, it automatically would copy this task to next year, okay, and leave it open. And it would be open in both places. Now, if I want to close it when they come in and copy it to next year, then I would select copy and close and save. So what that would do would be, as they come in and check themselves in for next year, it would close this task out and automatically create a brand new task next year. So it would then alert me, because it'd be highlighted in yellow, that I'd see this, and I can then follow up with the client. Now you can also, as opposed to having to do this like on the fly, if you want to set up a task type and have them automatically copy and close or just copy, so as soon as you select that specific task type, you can have this either a copy or copy and close automatically display without having to actually do it yourself manually inside the client file. And to do that, you'd set that up as a default in admin under task types information. So you can set up any transaction type, any task type as a default, either to don't copy, copy, or copy and close. So right now the default is always going to be don't copy unless you override them on the admin. So this could come in handy, so I just wanted to point out this is how you would copy and close a task type. Thank you.